Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I'm walking downtown Cebu City and walking down towards the old historic church down here. So come along if you have time. Hardware stores, pharmacies, parts, vehicle parts stores. And even there's a couple streets down here. You got your Carbone Market just a few blocks over this way, but then you have smaller produce markets. Hello. Say hello to the world. So you got these vegetable stands. I think they probably got some meat stands down here as well. Maybe cooking it up. Watermelon. All right. So a lot of these people, I think, will go to buy their stuff just like the local market close to me. Much of what they sell, they come down to Carbone Market, huge public market. I've done videos there, and they will buy there, mark it up. Of course, everybody needs to make a profit. For instance, I like broccoli. I buy quite a bit of broccoli. And broccoli, the price of broccoli changes a lot. So the numbers I throw out here, probably meaningless today. They're probably much different. But go into a grocery store, one point in time, broccoli was 440 pesos per kilogram. There's 2.2 kilograms to a pound if you want to do the math. And my local market, a couple blocks from me, it was 240 pesos per kilogram. Get distracted down here sometimes. And Carbone Market might have been 140 pesos per kilogram. So what you save going to Carbone Market pays for your taxi and a whole lot more. Just the broccoli part. I have many already. Thanks. Must be good food. Everybody's lined up. Is this food? For food? Ah, must be very good. Many people. Oh, 1 second. Better go before I get run over. And the other day, a few days I was down here, and there were like 25. I counted a couple blocks from where downtown started. Down here a few blocks, and every block, each side of the block had 25 policemen over here, and another, so about 50 policemen per block. And I asked a couple of them, "What are you expecting trouble? What's going on?" Pet store, and they said no, Sinulog. So now today I don't see them. I actually came down here to see if they were down here again, and this Saturday they're not here. Perhaps only if there's some kind of event going on. Perhaps a few days ago they had a what they call a walk with Jesus from Fuentios Minia to down to the church down here, and somebody told me they had about 50,000 people on that walk. They will have a solemn procession. I've taken a couple videos in those over the years. That's before the final day of, I think the day before, so January 14th maybe, and hundreds of thousands of people. Amazing experience. This is the song you will hear every place you go, over and over and over and over again. They've got the road blocked off. This goes down to the church down here. And so it truly is a walking street. Got more police down here. Good afternoon. Hello. How much?
50.
15?
50.
How much?
20. 20.
20. That guy had a little bottle of water. You can usually buy them for 15 pesos. And I thought he said 15. He said 50. 50 pesos. $1. I said, what do you think, I'm new here? And they came down to 20. I said, okay. Be careful. Everybody's out to separate you from your money. Not everybody. Not everybody. My experience is 85–90% of the people, 95% even, very honest. But there are those. There are those that will try to take advantage of you. A lot of snatchers come to town. Oh, I'm gonna check my bag.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, we
Okay.
just need to check your bag.
Got the bottle and
Alright.
camera. So this is a big event, obviously. Normally don't get this big of a crowd down here, but yeah, they had a checkpoint, got ambulance when you get so many people. Events. So there's the big historic church down there.
Amoy ko na yung pinagi ni Kristo ang mong Ginoo. Ang Ginoo para kang Diyos. Tumayaw niyo mga kasing-kasing.
I'm going to try to walk around this crowd and this event. We'll see how many streets are blocked off, and we'll see how that goes as I go around here. Policia. One thing here that really surprised me when I first came here, is you rarely, very rarely, see a police car. I think up maybe some of the freeways up in Manila, they might have what, I don't know what they call them, highway patrolmen, basically, to enforce traffic laws. They have hired more what they call traffic enforcers here. Generally, they stand on the side of the road, different streets. They've hired a few more hundred, and they'll just flag certain people over, check their documents. Do they have registration, a license, all that sort of thing. Hello. Good senor. Armored money cars. Got a motorbike, you can get through some of these streets. But yeah, off and on last night, there was noise, I think, from the more events going on there. The Magellan's Cross down that way. So it looks like that's blocked off. I don't know if I can get through down that way or not. So I'll continue on here. Another little market, not the same one. Another food market, produce market. I don't think this is part of it. Might be on the outskirts of Carbone Market. I don't think it's considered part of Carbone Market, but I could be wrong. Because we've got food stands, vegetable stands. Yeah, this isn't really. It's close to Carbone Market, a few blocks down there. These carts, guys will really hump those things up and down the streets, deliver their goods. People walking with the bags coming from Carbone Market. Every couple weeks or so, I'll give my girlfriend or go down to Carbone and spend usually generally about 1,000 pesos. Load up on veggies and some meats. Lots of people selling various religious related items as well, especially all year, but especially during Sinulog. Epas, Lahug, Jones, Capital, and Carbone. Each one of these jeepneys has a number. The number will kind of tell you, but they also have the names of where they travel. And don't know which one to grab. If you want to use a jeepney, just ask the locals. They'll tell you. Use 4A. Go over there and stand and take 4A. And then, hello, Pit Senor. Coconut milk. Somebody feels musical today. That's another thing. You get people around. They'll jump on jeepneys and sing or bang on something and hope to get a donation. Now, Carbone Market is over there across the street. I'll do a different video. I've done a number of videos over the years over there. That's being changed drastically, being modernized. I'll follow beside these. They probably won't run them over. Loading up all the goods. Parking many places is an issue. Finding a place is... Hello! You can hire one of these carts. You can hire, you get down here, there are a lot of electric tricycles, and they're not allowed on all streets, but there's a lot of them down in this area. Hello. So you can hire one to take you around to the various places in Carbone Market. It is. It's not that hard to walk if you're, but I've taken a couple of friends down there and they got tired of walking fairly quickly. I never did. I could spend hours down there. So it just depends upon you. You can deal with, like today is cloudy. We've had so many cloudy days. Rained hard a couple times yesterday, just for short periods of time. be doing I'll be putting up some information about Sinulog Festival. I thought she was talking to me. Hey, good senor. Hello. How much?
How much?
How much?
28.
Huh?
20 pesos.
20 pesos? I had plenty of water, but this is one of those times where you see a need, and I bought another bottle of water and gave her a good-sized tip as well. The needs are great here in the Philippines, and with such a huge population and a relatively, 113 million people in a relatively small nation, about the size of Arizona in the USA. Italy is a little bit larger. So many needs, and yet Filipinos are quick with a smile, quick with a greeting. If you're friendly to them, say hello to them, because they don't know what your language is, where you come from, what your intentions are. Be friendly to them, they will be friendly to you 99% of the time. See you next time.